Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Hope you all will fine. May Allah bless you. In this beautiful video, I hope you will like it. This my unique and very pretty styling ideas. I hope you will like it. And this my beautifully all different collections. You will enjoy. Very pretty and more new designs ideas. I hope you will like it. This styling is very different, so you will enjoy. That's my unique or latest styling. This very beautiful buttons crafts ideas. I hope you will like it. The styling ideas are very pretty and more. And different ideas. And I hope you will like it. And that's very beautifully. As I hope you will enjoy. And I hope you will like it. The styling ideas are very pretty. And many more new designs are very prettiest collections. So I hope you will like it. The styling ideas. As I hope you will enjoy this different collection. And the friends are this very different. As I hope you will be enjoy this decent styling. And inshallah I hope you will like it. And these ideas are very fantastic. As you will enjoy and carry. Very pretty and more new styling ideas. And this is my beautifully all latest ideas, so you will like it. All very pretty and more new designs. and I hope you will like this all ideas. I hope you will enjoy that's my beautiful collections. So you will be like it. And that's my unique or very pretty stunning. And that's why different collections. I hope you will enjoy. These style ideas are very different and very fantastic. Let's see, I hope you will enjoy my unique and very different styling areas. Let's see. Inshallah, I hope you will enjoy this very different styling and very pretty, more new designs and all updates collections. So I hope you will enjoy.